A very good morning to you all, my dear students. Today we will continue our chapter, the constitutional design. In previous video we have discussed about the South African constitution, and today we will discuss about the making of the Indian constitution. Like South Africa, India's constitution was also drawn up under very difficult circumstances. India's constitution was because the India has a huge population and it is a diverse country. Like India was not it was not an easy affair to make a constitution. The country at that time, the people of India were emerging from the status of the subjects to that of the citizens. People to citizen, and the country was born through a partition on the basis of religious differences. There were very much diversity in religion, and the country was divided into India and Pakistan. Near about 10 lakh people were killed at that time, and the British had left it to the rulers of princely states to decide whether they wanted to merge with India or Pakistan. The merger of these princely states was a difficult and uncertain task. When the constitution was being written, the future of the country did not look as secure as it does today. So it was very difficult to make the constitution. So we have discussed that constitution making is not an easy affair. At that time when constitution was drafted, the India was divided into two parts, India and Pakistan, and British also create a very big problem of merging of princely states. Now let's talk about the path to constitution. Our freedom struggle was to transfer. Main motive of our freedom strugglers was to transfer us from our society and politics to make a good country. There were sharp differences of the opinion within the freedom struggle about the path India should take after independence. Even today, there are also different opinions. Yet, some basic ideas had come to be accepted by almost everyone. And at last, in 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders drafted a constitution. In 1928, 8 Congress leaders and Motilal Nehru drafted a constitution. And in 1931, a resolution at Karachi session of the Indian National Congress developed about the Indian Constitution. So these both drafts committed to these conclusion. First was universal adult franchise, second was right to freedom, third was right to equality, and last was protecting rights of minorities. One was constitution was drafted by Motilal Nehru and 8 other members leaders of Congress, and second was in 1931 at Karachi session. Both these resolution came to the conclusion that universal adult franchise, there should be universal adult franchise. Second was right to freedom and right to equality, and last one is the protecting rights of the minorities. These were the main conclusions of main resolutions. So we have discussed these parts in short form. Now we will talk about the constituent assemblies. This part, what is constituent assembly? It is a constituent assembly worked in a systematic, open and consensual manner. it is that place where it is a assembly of members who made constitution, who draft constitution. It worked in a systematic, open and consensus way, with taking all the opinion of all the people. And second, uh, first some basic principles were decided and agreed upon when constitution assembly start working. First some basic principles were decided and agreed upon, then a drafting committee chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, means chairman of drafting committee was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, prepared a draft constitution for discussion. How our constitution was draft? First of all, we made constituent assembly, and it work upon to for drafting a constitution. It make some basic principles were decided, and then several chairman was decided appointed, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and he draft a constitution with discussions. And then several rounds of thorough discussions took place on the draft constitution, and clause by clause it was discussed very thoroughly, and more than 2000 amendments were considered. Amendments means changes. More than 2 amendments were considered, and the members deliberated for 114 days. Member deliberated for 114 days and spread over 3 years. And every document presented and every word spoken in the Constituent Assembly has been recorded and preserved. Which word were spoken in the assembly, these all were recorded and preserved, and these are called the Constituent Assembly debates. Which were the discussion, which were the words, these are known as Constituent Assembly debates. And though the Constituent Assembly was not directly elected by the people, its sessions were open to press and the people. Its sessions were open to the press and the people, because people could not take part directly, so its sessions were open to the people and the press. So we have discussed about the Constituent Assembly, what is the work of Constituent Assembly, how the chairman, how and who was the chairman, how they worked to make the Constitution of India, and how many days they took discussion, and how many amendments were there. So these were the very short questions also, so you can also take this in your mind, that these questions can be for 1 mark or MCQs also. Okay, revise it properly. That's all from my side today. We will discuss next part in next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.